Tech fam, welcome back to Layera Tech. Today we're diving into something truly exciting: solar electric yachts. Yes, yachts that glide across the water powered by the sun. In this video, we'll look at the top 5 solar electric yachts in the world. These luxurious vessels aren't just eco-friendly, they're setting a new standard in marine innovation. Stay tuned because you'll want to see what the future of yachting looks like. 1. Silent 80, the game changer. The Silent 80 is built by Silent Yachts, a company known for its commitment to sustainable luxury. This yacht is completely solar-powered, with solar panels covering its roof. It doesn't just rely on the sun for power, it also offers a quiet, emission-free experience. You can cruise silently across the ocean without ever needing to stop for fuel. With its spacious design and top-tier luxury features, the Silent 80 offers the perfect blend of comfort and sustainability. The Silent 80 can travel up to 100 nautical miles per day using only solar power. And with backup battery storage, you don't need to worry about cloudy days or night sailing. It's a revolutionary step forward in the world of yachting. 2. Serenity 64, ultimate luxury meets green energy. This yacht is all about combining luxury with green energy. The Serenity 64 features a sleek design, and the entire top deck is covered with high-efficiency solar panels. These panels power the yacht's electric motors, allowing for silent and smooth cruising. The Serenity 64 can run on solar energy for extended periods, giving you the freedom to explore remote locations without needing to refuel. 3. SolarWave 64, cutting-edge design. The SolarWave 64 is another fantastic solar electric yacht. Known for its cutting-edge design, this yacht offers a fully solar-powered experience. It's equipped with solar panels that power both the yacht's propulsion and onboard systems. That means you can sail for days without worrying about running out of power. The interior is spacious with high-end materials and a sleek, modern look. 4. Aquan 1, a hydrogen hybrid marvel. The Aquan 1 isn't just solar-powered, it's a hydrogen hybrid yacht. While it does have solar panels, it also uses hydrogen fuel cells for backup energy. This combination gives the yacht an impressive range and ensures that it remains completely eco-friendly. The Aquan 1 has a futuristic design, with large windows and open spaces that let you fully enjoy the sea views, but with the peace of mind that comes from knowing you're sailing green. 5. Sunreef 80 Eco, the future of yachting. Last but certainly not least is the Sunreef 80 Eco. This yacht is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of solar electric yachts. The Sunreef 80 Eco is equipped with advanced solar panels that are built into the yacht's structure, allowing for maximum solar energy collection. The yacht also features an energy-efficient propulsion system that allows for long-range cruising. Whether you're hosting a party or just enjoying a quiet getaway, the Sunreef 80 Eco offers an unforgettable experience, all powered by the sun. And there you have it, the top 5 solar electric yachts in the world. These yachts are more than just a glimpse into the future, they're proof that luxury and sustainability can go hand in hand. Whether it's the Silent 80's groundbreaking solar technology or the Aquan 1's hydrogen hybrid system, each of these yachts offers something unique. So, which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more amazing content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.